Tunes! Right, go to the TV off first. Right, boom. Alright, there we go. Right, we've had 10, let's go for 20. We're gonna, I've been a bit smarter this time, I've written them down so we can save ourselves some time. As usual, I'll put all the links to the tunes that I'm gonna recommend to you in the description below, just so you can click on things and get into them. So, straight away. Number 1, FKJ, or French Kiwi Juice, So Much To Me. It's an amazing remix of, well, is it a rework, is it a remix of a song? I'm not going to tell you. Listen to it, because it's a fucking tune. Next up, I don't really want to give this one away, but that's the whole point, because it's an amazing thing. Rockert, Give It. I think he's a Dutch guy. He's produced like, if 5, maybe 6 odd tunes. That's it, and he stopped doing it about fucking 5 years ago, so he's probably, you know, this is a rare gem, and I love this tune so much, and I hope that you love it too. That's Rockert, Give It. That's tune number 2. Tune number 3 is a band called Radio Moscow, or Moscow, depending on where you're from, and the tune I'm going to recommend for you, even though most of everything they do is amazing, is Breakdown. And it's off the, I can't remember what the name of the album is, but I know it's got a sweet cover. So there you go. Yeah, Radio Moscow, Breakdown. That's tune number 3. Tune number 4 is Woman by Mastercraft. Woman was originally a song that was released by Wolfmother, and they're a pretty cool band. But Mastercraft are sweet and have been around for years, and they just keep going. And they did a remix of this track, which I think is brilliant. And I think that it's, yeah, that's about it. So let's go on to number 5, Metronomy, The Bay, Errol Alkin extended rework. Now, I'm not that big a fan of Metronomy. That's just a personal thing. I don't really dig them. But this tune by them, The Bay, is sick, and the extended rework by Errol Alkin is very nice. So I wholeheartedly recommend it to yourselves. Number 6, bit of a classic, Mr. Oizo, Flat Beat. As Mr. Oizo is spelled Mr. O-I-Z-O. It's French for bird, Mr. Bird in a sense, and the tune is Flat Beat. If you've been born any time before 1990, you might have heard this tune because it's sick. If you haven't been born before 1990, this is a sick tune, and it's another bass tester. So for all the bass heads out there, get your speakers checked, because this one will do some damage. Okay, tune number 6. Let's go back to 6. Let's go back to something classic. Curtis Mayfield, Move On Up. Moving on up. Move on up. Move on up. Yeah, Move On Up. Gold tune. Everyone needs to have this in their life. It's one of those, you know, perfect songs. It's just amazing. Get this in your life. Curtis Mayfield, Move On Up. Other one, which is a bit of a rarity, I only heard it the other day, but I really recommend it, is Patrice Rushen, Haven't You Heard? Lovely disco tune. Really got a nice driving beat to it. Yeah, great song. Patrice Rushen, Haven't You Heard? Then we're going to go, right, I mentioned in the last video that my rap knowledge wasn't good. My rap knowledge isn't great. My hip-hop knowledge is acceptable, I'd like to think. And I only say that being incredibly humble before the power of hip-hop. So with my, I'm going to start dipping my toe into hip-hop. And my first move is a neo-soul direction with the queen herself, Erykah Badu. And I'll kick off with one of my favourite tracks of hers, which is On and On. Erykah Badu, On and On. Check it out, wicked tune. And finally, just to wrap everything off with a slightly different vibe and going back to that jazzy piano kind of stuff that I love, would be Jamie Cullum's version of What a Difference a Day Made. It's possibly my favourite version of this song, and Jamie Cullum's a very talented musician, and yeah, it's a great one to finish on. So yeah, that's 10 more tunes. Hope they tantalise your taste buds terrifically. And yeah, see you next time. Enjoy.